Let me show you how to add a voiceover to your TikTok videos. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile page. Tap the plus symbol button to create a new video. You can either record a new video or upload one from your phone. In this example, I'll upload an existing video. Once your video is selected, tap Next. You'll see the editing options on the right side. Look for the one labeled Voiceover. If you recorded a video, this option will also appear a bit lower on the list. Tap Voiceover to begin. It's usually a good idea to turn off the original sound if you want to replace it completely with your new audio. Now press and hold the record button to start recording your voiceover. Everything you say will be recorded directly over the video. Once you're done, tap Save. TikTok also lets you add captions to your voiceover, which can be very helpful. Finally, press Next to post your video with the voiceover. And that's how you add a voiceover to your TikTok videos using the app itself. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. In the end,